Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a 1985 XL250 that I bought last summer. Pretty cheap for spare parts, but the owner said that the bike didn't run for a couple of years, so see if we can make a little bit of noise. First thing I'm going to check for oil. And it's a little low, but it's there's some in there. We'll put a little gas in the carburetor here. My fire extinguisher here. Let's see if he'll do a little bit of noise here. On, and on. Yeah, a little bit there. I'm gonna take the carburetors apart and clean the carburetors there off the bike. I'm just gonna soak her down there really good. Let that soak for a little bit. The carb spray here. Take the bowls off here. Some of these bowls will be different because of the choke circuit, so you don't want to mix these up. That looks pretty good. Rough shape. I'll spray the carburetor clean up in here. I'm going to take these main jets out here. These jets got little tiny holes here, so I'm going to put my tip cleaner, smallest one, fits right in here. A little compressor. Yeah, that looks good too. I'll blow some compressed air here. I clean my float mold here. I got my float bowl needles here. The rubber looks really good. A little dirt there, but okay, one with the jet here. I think stock is the 105. This one is missing the jet. I went to Honda and they gave me this thing, which is a 122, which is right, but it's way too long. So they gave me the wrong one. So I got the wrong jet there, but I'll just put one in there, a little too big, but that's all I got. So I'll put the needle jet in here. Alright, so the pilot jet, there's only one on this side here. Put it too tight. The pilot jet will affect your idle right here. This is your main jet. This will be your 3/4 to full throttle. And your needle jet here, which is right in here. Those affect your 1/4 to 3/4 throttle. I got a sticky throttle here, really hard to turn. I'm gonna take it apart here. Crap buildup at the end here. Getting there. Better. There we go. Alright, so I got the choke hooked up here. And the throttle is working there now. Alright, I hooked up the gas, changed the spark plug. Let's see here if it's going to start. No damage. Like I say, it ran for a little bit, but the little backfire to the carburetor tells me the timing is off. So, alright, we're probably the end of part 1. If you like this video, press thumbs up below, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.